How to use Etsy patterns. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Etsy patterns. Now, Etsy patterns generally refers to digital PDF sewing, knitting, or corseting patterns sold by independent creators. So now what you want to do is, first thing first, you want to download the digital file. That means after purchasing a pattern, you can access your file from the Etsy account. Just go to etsy.com on a web player, not the app, and after which click on the profile initials and go to account. Then here comes a review and purchase. Click that out, and here you just want to find the order and select download files. This takes you to the download page, and save the PDF file to specific folder on your computer where you can easily find it. And it is crucial to open the save file in a dedicated PDF reader program like Adobe, and not print them directly. And that's how you should be able to use Etsy patterns. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.